What? Good hour.
Ini mudah mari dalam putih pada orang orang.
I can't emphasize enough the importance of reading, and I'm always going to take a chance when I get to have time in a public forum like this. Very important that young kids learn to read and learn to read well, and the way you can support that, even if you can't read the books in English.
Tebak abad nak kini tak sibuk balik kami ni lah buku di balik betul ni tak ada tekor amat kau ada mau pun lah.
And Happy New Year.
Dan mau ni tak tahu kepada tak kerja.
Thank you all for inviting me again to share this with you all today. It's very important to me, and I just look around and I'm so thankful for all the friendship from all the people I see here today and the folks that are here. Thank you very much, and enjoy your celebration and Happy New Year.
Deweda na awe tak kidu mana awe tak ada ni pada kedai yang letak ini dia malah ke pokok ni tak tahu pada lah na seri sawe ke kuala laki kita lah mampu dah ni tak tak lah perda tak kena tapi demam.
Happy New Year. I appreciate the greeting at the front door this morning. That's a great way to issue the new year. In the last year, I think we've passed each other in the supermarket shopping. I'm sure my kids played with your kids at the playground at Klein Park. I know a member of the community recently opened a new business in downtown, Family Asian Market. Let's give them a round of applause.
Awe seri sawa mana la awe ni khatara awe ni khatata piwai na awe ni tinya ma sikale awe le tiyi ni ba na awe papa kanya utlan ne ko ni ko thoda awe ani sat tam da la awe sai ko tlap na tani sama ke la bela awe open downtown ni na apoda khamya pata khun pi da na awe tak khun pi da wala da e da wala pek khamya ma awe da ni da you have from the blue work what up way now in that way relatively when you put it back you was the one
And my name is Steve Hauser, by the way. I work at City Hall here in Clarksville. I'd just like to wish you all a happy new year, and I hope it's blessed, and y'all continue to grow with our wonderful community. If you ever need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to us down at City Hall in downtown. I love to help with business development, community development. If there's an event you would like to host in town and you need help or
Lo peta na la ko nyo ni to so di ame ta ko ka ki nyo da sira la ni lo. Ko nyo ni to so I bara fa no o lo ti lo se lo tu to ku ya te si ko ni ni lo. Pa sa da la ma la ko po o so de lo me phe tu to ku ya te si ku ni ni lo. Me phe lai no ari te to tu to ku ya te si ko ani ni. Pa da tu lo do la le te so ako bu kwa nyo do ko luคุณภาพคือทวารสู้เอกลียบว่าเปอร์เชตาบองบันดาลพาเลกุญยดอกลืออันนี้ทอต่ออีจากกบ้าปาดปากแกดอดีอเมกลือสเปลกลืออันนี้สเปลสนี่หรอเนี่ยวันนี้ไม่ซื้อก็ไว้กุญยอันนี้โทรคุยอันนี้ซื้อนี่หรอนนเขาจากเลยจากดูทอกุญยดอกลืออามุนี่อุทออีสัทเตตาเลยโทรคุยอันเสียนี่
Those supporting Obama opposed the legislation. He fails to be verified. Soon after, Dr. Obama's called for a coalition, allowing us to seize power. The proposal seems to be left with no chance of getting better than Obama. Member of the Upper House, Leva Sia Sabo, Sia Shasipo, and Sia Washington discussed the matter together. They lobbied for and claimed the support of some of the new ministry. The demand was returned.
Apa dia? Apa dia?